are looking for the output of a integrator. You know that integrator input is applied to the input resistor, and in feedback there is a capacitor. This RF is connected for the stability of the operation. Okay, and this plus terminal we have connected offset minimizing resistor, right? So this is the circuit connection. Here we have connected, this is your RF, this is your RF, then this is your CF. This is the input is applied to R, because the same kit is can be used for differentiator. When input is applied to C, it will become a differentiator. Now input is applied to the R, so it is a integrator. Look at here, input we have applied is 1 volt peak to peak. Right now it is 1.12 and the frequency is of 10 kilohertz range. Okay, so look at here the waveform. If I will show you the waveform, you can see integrator. So sine wave is converted into cosine wave. So you can see कि positive part of peak you are getting negative output, and negative part of peak you are getting positive output. So it is the cosine wave, you can say. But the main thing is that when we operate the frequency, or when we go for the frequency increased, that time you will observe that the output or the voltage of the output waveform decreases. So look at here, this is the 10K frequency range. Now I am going to change it for 10K. This is the output. Okay, for 1 megahertz. Look at here, the yellow color is your output and blue color is your input. So just look at here कि how much gain decreased, how much gain decreased. You can see, look at here, for sine wave we are getting cosine, and how much it get decreased. Look at here. Okay, so for 1 megahertz it is decreased very much. Let's go back to the next frequency range. So it is 10 megahertz, again it is 10 for 10 hertz, and for 1, look at the output. Okay, now I am going to change the frequency range from 10 to, now it becomes 100. So look at the output change. Okay, now again 100 to, I will go to 1K. So now look at here the range. And for 10K I show you, then for 10K, then for 1 megahertz, look at so much decrease in the gain. Okay, so in the readings you will write that for 100 hertz we got output 5, for 200 4.6, 300 4.6, not much difference, but as we go from 100 to 1K, then 5 volt to 2.6, then 1K to 10K, 2.6 becomes 0.2. So when you will convert it into the dB, then you will see 13 plus, then it decreases and it becomes at last minus. So this way the you can conclude integrator, the gain decreases, and sine wave gives the cosine output, square wave gives the triangular output. Okay, so this is all about the integrator.